going on, guys? I am here super excited because I have one of my favorite things in the whole entire world, and it's vegan, and I am so ecstatic. Okay, so let's get right into it. So look at this. Okay, so if you don't know, if you haven't seen already, Breyers came out with a non-dairy cookies and cream ice cream, and honestly, I haven't seen any vegan ice creams that are cookies and cream. Before I turned vegan, I love cookies and cream. I love mint chocolate chip. Those are like my two favorite flavors of ice cream. So the fact that like I went vegan and I had to, there's obviously like Ben and Jerry's, and there's like vanilla, and you can crush up some cookies and put it in some vanilla ice cream, but there's nothing like some Breyers cookies and cream. So when I saw this, I was like so hyped. I saw it today and I was like, I have to buy it. And then I also saw the Häagen-Dazs non-dairy, and who doesn't like Häagen-Dazs? So they have the mocha chocolate cookie flavor, and they had the peanut butter chocolate fudge flavor. So I bought two because they were on sale for 2 for $6. So I was like, why don't I just do a first impressions ice cream try, and to see if it's worth even you guys going out and buy it. Like I said, I got mine on sale, so we love ice cream in this house, so it will get eaten even if it's not that great, but let's see how it tastes. So I think I'm gonna save the best for last, so I'm gonna save my cookies and cream for last, but I think I'm gonna try the peanut butter chocolate fudge first. So this is a real first impressions. I've not even opened this at all. Like, I was gonna pre-open it, but I'm like, you know what, let me just open it on camera, let you guys go on this journey with me. So this is the peanut butter chocolate fudge. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one first. Well, actually, I'm gonna put them in cups. That way I'm not eating out of the carton, just being courteous to anyone who might want some later. Let me know, comment down below if you don't like when people do that, when they eat out of the carton, and you might have to share it out for someone. It's like all your cooties and germs in it. You don't want that. Alright, so I've got about a scoop of this one. I would be worried about watching my girl's figure, but I'm vegan, so I'm joking. Just because the stuff is vegan does not mean, or plant-based, does not mean that you can just eat ice cream all day. I don't like hard ice cream. Like, I prefer if it's a little melted, but I just took this out of the freezer. Oh, let me show you what this one looks like. This is the mocha chocolate cookie. I just stuck the spoon in there, so it looks like that. I love Häagen-Dazs ice cream because it's so like rich. My mom's gonna be so happy because she doesn't like vanilla ice cream, and I was afraid that this was gonna be vanilla ice cream, but it's not chocolate, and she loves like coffee flavored chocolate, so it's gonna be it for her. She's a little lactose, so she's not vegan, but she appreciates some non-dairy ice cream, I'll tell you that. favorite. Let me get some scissors. I'm excited about this cookies and cream flavors because Breyers uses Oreo cookies. I love Oreos. We always have Oreos in the house, and Oreos, if you didn't know, they're vegan. So super excited about that. I just put some in the cup. Alright. So I'm excited because it is it's chocolate. It's chocolate flavored. See, I'm so happy. Doing my taste test. But it's so hard. You know, I don't like hard ice cream.
Oh my god, yes, it looks fabulous. But that's the peanut butter one, right?
No, this is the peanut butter one. This is the one that I was hoping that was chocolate for you.
Mocha chocolate cookie?
Yeah. That's the one I was like excited. Alright, I guess I'll try that one first. The mocha chocolate cookie. It's really good.
Oh my god, fabulous.
So good.
Oh, that's heaven in my mouth.
This is really good. I didn't think I was gonna like this much.
Oh yeah. Yums. It's like chocolate Oreo cookie.
Yeah.
Breyers makes it
Right.
but that tastes better.
It's like so rich and like creamy. Wow. Here's my mom. This is it. This is really good. I really recommend you try this. Yes, this is it. Okay, I know I said I was gonna try the peanut butter one first, but Mom walked in and this is her favorite, so but it's really good. Alright, so next I'm gonna try the so that was the mocha chocolate cookie one. That one. You can see it. So I'm gonna try the peanut butter chocolate fudge now. This one's pretty good. It's not my favorite, but it's good. It tastes very peanut buttery, like the whole, I guess because it's made with almond milk, so it's just like very peanut tasting. I get, if you're Caribbean and you know what peanut punch is, like this is what it tastes like. It just tastes like, it doesn't even really taste chocolatey, it just tastes like peanut punch. I would like this better like in a like a milkshake. Yeah. It's still good, but I'm not sure if I would buy that one again. I would have to be craving that. You know, you have like certain craving for certain things. I would have to be craving it. But I really like this one. Alright. Now for the Oreo happy that the world is turning plant-based, like, because this is really, really good. If I had to say I would buy the two again, I'd buy these two. I really, 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 really like this. I like this because it just tastes like cookies and cream. It's not really a difference in regular cookies and cream, but this is a flavor that I've never had before, and I really, really like this. So if you're a chocolate fan, yeah, that's it. That will hit the spot, and it's super rich and super creamy. So I'm gonna devour my ice cream now. I'm gonna have like a big bowl of it, but I love you guys, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.